Hi guys, just wanted to make this quick video about my piston. So this has come out of a KTM 300 EXC. It's a 2015 bike. I've had this bike since pretty much new. I had 16 hours on when I bought it. As far as I know, this is the standard piston. So I changed the rings at around, I think it was about 120 hours. The bike now has done 240 hours, and this is what the piston looks like coming out. Now, personally, I think that's pretty good. There's no real marking on it, no massive signs of wear. It looks fairly good. The top looks good. Detonation looks good. There's some marks on the side there. It's not running particularly lean or too rich, I wouldn't have said. That looks fairly good. There's a bit of blow by on the rings here, but that's really to be expected for the hours. Like I said, 240 hours this bike's got on it, and I replaced the rings at about 120 hours. But as far as I know, this is a standard piston. The head is, I've cleaned it all down obviously. You can see there, very good condition. The barrel, again, very good. It's a bit hard to see in there. Let me move around a little bit, get it in the light. They usually wear a bit more on the exhaust side here, but if you can see that, it's pretty good. There's no real lip around the top here where the piston stops. No scoring on the inside. The only thing I would say is the power valve, all the power valve assembly. From the outside it looked fairly good, but when I opened it all up, it was really gacked up in there. The back side of the power valve flap here was completely gunged up with crud. It was probably a good 2 mil of sort of crud on it. All the other parts were all fairly good. There was a bit of oil leaking down here. But other than that, for 240 hours, I reckon that's pretty good. So I just wanted to show everyone really what, what to expect. The bike's been looked after well. It gets ridden hard. I ride it fairly hard. I do a lot of extreme enduro, a lot of flat out sort of field riding as well. And it's been really good. And to be honest, I'm quite surprised at how that piston looks considering the hours. I'm going to put a new one in anyway. It's all on order. The barrel won't be replated or anything. It will just be a new one will go. And I've gone up one size with the piston, obviously because of the it's bound to have worn a bit on the bore there. But yeah, pretty good, and I'm happy with that. So if your bike's got 240 hours on it and you're considering putting a new piston in it, have a look first, see what it's like. But to be honest, the time you've taken it all apart, you might as well replace it all anyway. But this goes to show you sort of what you can expect if you've looked after your bike. There we go. Hope this helps some guys out there. And now maybe you know what to expect. Cheers, see you later.